You want your course to be accessible to everyone. To this goal, do these small things. Add meaningful alt text descriptions to your images. Even if they're decorative, low vision users and those with screen readers will appreciate a vivid description. When using video, turn on captions. In GauchoCast, be sure the CC icon is visible. YouTube videos have auto-generated captions, which aren't 100% accurate, but very close. When using the rich content editor, use styles, headings, and paragraphs so screen readers can easily interpret your text. Able readers also benefit from this practice. If you have questions or would like a one-on-one consultation, email the help desk.